So here are my list of most difficult cards to unlock on Hamster Kombat. I welcome you back to my channel. Don't forget to follow me, subscribe to my channel. Now let's go. The most difficult ones, they are under legal. License Japan, license Europe, all those license based cards. Most of them are very difficult to unlock. That's my number one. My number two is DAO. Very difficult to unlock. Have you been able to unlock this card? If you have not, you will know why you have not been able to unlock it on this video. Now look at my next card. The next card is Short Squeeze. Very, very difficult to unlock. Many of you have not been able to unlock this card. And some of you are asking, why can't I unlock this one? How do I unlock this one? You cannot unlock it easily like that. Look at this one, USDT on turn. Now, USDT on turn is my next card. Very difficult to unlock because of what? Now this is the last one. Okay, Long Squeeze and Villa for the dev team. Now, the next card, the easier among the two now is Villa for the dev team. Why? You need 5 referral to unlock. Now, all the cards I showed you earlier need like 3 or 4 referral to be able to unlock them. Now, why is this one difficult? Look at this one now, 5. You must refer 5 to unlock it. Then the other one, Long Squeeze, you must refer 9. That's the most difficult to unlock. You must have referred 9 people to Hamster Kombat to unlock them. So if you have not been able to unlock this card, this is the reason why you have not referred up to 3 or 4 or 5 friends and 9 at most to unlock all the cards on Hamster Kombat. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep coming back for more updates, more on Daily Combo, Daily Cipher and other things. Thank you.